man entered the Family Dollar on Lincoln Street in Manchester Wednesday and grabbed an elderly woman's purse from her shopping cart while she wasn't looking. As Adam Sexton reports now live in Manchester, the suspects allegedly made off with several $100s in cash, Adam.
Well, Tom and Jen, it took police a while to recover this surveillance video, but now that they have it, they are releasing it in hopes that someone will recognize this purse snatcher and help them make an arrest. When it comes to criminal behavior, it doesn't get much lower than the man you see here entering the Manchester Family Dollar. Police say he stole the purse of a 73-year-old woman.
According to the woman, she had been shopping in the store and she had her purse in the shopping cart, and she was distracted looking at merchandise. When she turned around, she realized her purse was gone and could see the suspect actually walking away with it.
In the surveillance video, the man is seen quickly leaving the store, intent on making his getaway. Next, you can see the victim actually trailing after the man.
She followed that suspect out of the store, calling out to some people nearby to draw their attention to it. We actually had two people that were able to follow him for a short period of time before they lost sight of him.
Witnesses say the suspect escaped on a small blue and white bicycle going east. The video shows a white man, likely in his 20s, with a slim build, a t-shirt, and camouflage shorts. He's also wearing a distinct Red Sox ball cap with a very large B on it. Police describe the amount of cash the man got away with as significant, but they also say the 73-year-old victim's refusal to let him just get away quietly could help lead to an arrest.
I give her a lot of credit as far as having the opportunity to go after him, follow after him, and alert other people to what was happening. So that helped us get additional information that will hopefully lead to his identification.
Now, police say it is also possible that suspect had a tattoo on his lower leg, but the video is not conclusive on that point. Anyone with information is urged to contact the Manchester Crime Line at 624-4040. Reporting live in Manchester, Adam Sexton, WMUR News 9.
In the Lakes region.